Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to center title on Google Docs. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Google Docs. Now you can see here is one of my documents. Over here you can see this title is left aligned. Now if I want to make the center aligned, first of all over here you can see here is align. Click on this drop down. And over here on second, you can see here is center aligned. Click on this and now you can see this title is center aligned. Now if you want to do for others as well, you can just select them, go to this align and click this second one, center align. And now you can see this title is center aligned. In this way, we can center align our title. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.